Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix face reference not working on OpenArt. So actually guys, at first you will need to use the correct feature, okay? Like the subject reference versus the face reference. So the OpenArt has multiple similar tools. Something like face reference, style reference, subjects reference, that's newer plus more reliable, right? So actually the tools are inside the OpenArt and you can't pick one. So once you enter the photos and then you provide the description here or the prompts, then you go with generate, the OpenArt will use all of these tools that I already mentioned. And in many cases, face reference is outdated and or inconsistent, while subject reference works better for identity consistency. So you will need to switch from the face reference to subject reference so you can include that one on the prompts, and even you will need to upload a clear front facing or face image. Also, guys, your reference image quality matters a lot because the bad inputs will give you only bad matches. So you will need to use front-facing face, not side angle, and good lighting, like no shadows on face and high-resolution neutral expression. And avoid selfies with filters and group photos, even the low light and blurry images. Also, guys, do really want to talk about the models right here. So some models simply ignore the face reference more than the others, so just try switching between the SDXL models, often better consistency and consistent character and character builder tools instead of face reference. Many users report face consistency as currently unreliable across the platform depending on model. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.